What's up, guys? In this video we're going to look at some logarithm properties, so let's get started. The first type is what I call insides, and you'll see in a minute why I call it this name. So insides are logarithms like this. So let's say you have ln of x 1/2. See, I call the exponent inside. This is what I mean. So ln of x to the f, and that's equal, it comes outside, so ln of x. So let's look at another example. So let's say we have ln of x 1/3. So this one comes outside, so ln x, then close bracket. So let's look at another one. So we have this one, we have this one. Let's look at this one. So say now we have ln x 4 divided by 5. Again, the same thing. 4/5 comes outside. So this is what I call the outside ones. Now we have something like this. We have ln and then x, y. So when this happens, essentially you have two logarithms. So you have ln of x plus ln of y. Okay, so let's look at an example. So let's say we have ln of 3x. So this is the same thing as saying ln of 3 plus ln of x. Just remember, you have two logs inside. That's all this means. So let's say we have another one. So let's say we have minus ln of 3x. Same thing, just get the minus out, and then the rest remains the same. So it's ln of 3 plus ln of x. So let's say now we have ln x divided by y. This is the same thing as saying ln of x minus ln of y. So let's say we have this example, minus ln of x. This is a special case, and we'll need this in a bit. This is why I'm doing this first. This is the same thing as saying ln of 1 divided by x. Remember this one, because this one is very useful later on. So let's say now we have something like this. We have minus ln of x. You know how to solve this one. And then plus ln of 5. What's the solution to this one? There's two ways to go about and solve this. This is why I made this one first. This is negative and x is on the bottom. So here what we do is, because this one is positive, all we do is ln of 5 divided by x. You can also present this in a different way. This is why I made the first one. You can also say, and this is the exact same thing, minus ln of x divided by 5. This is the same thing. So let's say now we have minus ln of 3x plus ln of 5. What's the solution to this one? Again, same logic. This one is positive, this one is negative. So let's start with the positive first. So ln, and then we have 5, and then divided by the negative 1, 3x. And if you put the negative sign here, this is the same thing as saying ln of 3x divided by 5. Both solutions are correct. What about this one? So let's say now we have minus 3, and then ln of 3x plus ln of 5. What's the solution to this one? The first step is seeing that we have a sum here. So if we have a sum, we can join both of these together. So this is the same thing as saying minus 3. And then ln 5 times 3 is 15. So that's 15x. This is the same thing. Or you can even separate this into other ones and say that this is the same thing as saying minus 3 ln of 3 plus ln of x plus ln of 5. Both solutions are correct, either this one or this one. Let's continue. So in the beginning, we started with this one. So we have something like ln of 3x, and then outside, this is what we have. This is the same thing as saying the square root of what's inside. And in the specific case, what we have inside is the whole thing, because this one is kind of doing the umbrella to the whole thing, and this is what we have right here. If you have the case where it's ln of 3, but then it's the x that has the 1.5, that's on the inside, all that means is that you have two logarithms. You have ln of 3, and then you have ln of x with 1.5 on the inside, and this is the same thing as saying ln of 3 plus 1.5 ln of x.